Did you know your phone has a hidden spot where you can get extra RAM for free? It's called RAM Plus, and it can boost your phone with up to 8 gigabytes of memory, with no additional apps. Most people don't know this, but it's built right into your phone. Open your Settings app. Scroll down until you find Device Care. On some phones, it shows up as Security and Device Care. It's the same place once you open it. You'll see a bunch of tools that help your phone run smoother, but for now, tap on Memory. This page shows you how much RAM you're using and how many apps are running in the background. You can hit the Optimize button to free up some space right away. Most people never touch this, but it actually makes a big difference if your phone feels slow or laggy. Now look for something called RAM Plus. When you open it, you'll see options like 2, 4, 6, and 8 gigabytes. Pick the amount you want. If you have good storage space, I'd say go for the higher option. After that, your phone will restart to apply the change.